There should be no reason that a 76-year-old man is delivering my pizza at 10:30 at nighttime. What can we do more to help him?
It didn't take long at all to find out that the food delivery driver was Larry Philip Colvin.
My Social Security just wasn't cutting it anymore.
He'll be 77 in May. He began delivering food because the cost of health care for his wife and son were higher than his monthly income.
My wife is looking at a couple surgeries. My son has 3 autoimmune diseases, lupus and dystonia.
Colvin is a proud Vietnam veteran who's been forced back into the working world after 10 years of retirement as a repairman. Salter started an online donation fund for Colvin's family that will hopefully help him put the brakes on his job as a delivery driver, all because someone saw a heartbreaking story in only a few seconds of video.
I love you. I'm so grateful for you. What you've done has helped our family tremendously.
I say God bless that lady. I'm very grateful. It'll help pay off some bills.